Amigos, you want to start creating AI art like this? Welcome to this exciting series. We're going to dive into Stable Diffusion. This is cutting edge technology to create AI art. I'm going to show you how to use Stable Diffusion, how to install it on your computer, how to use it on the cloud with Google Colab. I'll show you the user interface, how to use a Protogen model to create amazing AI art, and finally, my video to animation workflow. Stable Diffusion is a deep learning text-to-image model introduced just last year in collaboration with Stability AI, Runway ML, and Comfizz. Give it a text prompt and it returns an image matching your text. It can also be utilized for other tasks, such as in-painting, upscaling, and generating images from image inputs. Stable Diffusion was trained on an image dataset consisting of 512 by 512 pixels. The most popular open source web-based UI version of Stable Diffusion is Automatic 1111. This version, which is named after the creator, offers numerous advanced features and can be run locally on your computer via your web browser or on the cloud using a service such as Google Colab, which is 100% free to use. The models in Stable Diffusion allow you to achieve a specific look for your images. The images that a model can produce depend on the training data used to train them. Let me give you a quick example. If the training data consists of only dog images, no matter what you input, it'll only generate dogs. Conversely, if there are no dog images, even if you type in dog, it won't be able to produce a dog image.
¿Usted comprende, amigo?
Yeah. Stable Diffusion allows you to have multiple models and you can switch between them at any time. One of the base models for Stable Diffusion is Runway's version 1.5, and some of the most popular models are as follows. Protogen 2.2 and 3.4, which we will be using later in the series, is a mixture of anime and portraits. Dream Shaper is a portrait illustration style that sits between photorealistic and CGI. Waifu Diffusion is a Japanese anime style model. Arcane Diffusion is a model trained on images from the TV show Arcane. Robo Diffusion is a model that gives every subject a robotic look. Ink Punk Diffusion is a graffiti illustration style, and to use it, you must start your prompt with the keyword NV Ink Punk. To search for more models, check out the models page at Hugging Face. ControlNet is an add-on feature for Stable Diffusion that offers you greater control over your generated images. With the help of various ControlNet models, you can pretty much replicate any pose or composition. For example, we can have Tom Cruise do this fly kick in the same pose as Bruce Lee. There are several popular ControlNet models, including Canny, which utilizes edge detection to generate a line drawing of your image and then applies it as a reference for your generated image. Human Pose gives you a skeleton to position or pose your characters as desired. Depth Model employs a depth map to replicate the composition. M-LSD is suitable for architecture, buildings, and rooms. In the latest version of Automatic 1111, you can run multiple ControlNet models at the same time, taking advantage of the benefits of each. These are some of the top websites that you should bookmark to help you enhance your knowledge and exploration of Stable Diffusion. Hugging Face is an AI community platform providing AI tools, research, collaboration, and tons of Stable Diffusion models for download. Lexica.art is an image gallery of Stable Diffusion generated images, making it an excellent resource for copying and pasting prompts and properties as a starting point for your own images. OpenArt.ai is an AI native content and social platform with resources to help you write better prompts. GitHub.com/automatic1111 is the official Automatic 1111 version of Stable Diffusion, has a list of features, documentation, and troubleshooting guide. The unofficial subreddit for Stable Diffusion, and StableDiffusionArt.com. This website offers comprehensive guides and tutorials on Stable Diffusion. Stick around for this series and I'll show you how to make some seriously impressive AI art.